Myself Rajiv Sharma, Senior Administrative Officer, BIMTech, belongs to Bihar, taken my primary education from West Bengal, passed my BSc from Workers College, Jamshedpur, Ranchi University, done MBA from Sikkim Manipalpur University, started job from Kota, Rajasthan, come to Delhi in 1991 and worked for a business professional house for 2.5 years for entrepreneurs. In search of good assignment, I find an advertisement of BIMTech for office assistant cum typist. I have applied, received call letter and interviewed by our former founder director Dr. C.V. Gupta sir. I was selected and joined BIMTech on 14th June 1993. The general administration is the backbone of any organization in which I cater faculty, students and staff and cater different departments of BIMTech, classroom services, office management, transport management and postal services of the organization. हमने दो महत्वपूर्ण लीडरशिप के अंडर में अपना योगदान दिया है और भी अच्छे योगदान के लिए मैं तत्पर रहता हूँ. It's pleasure to work in the two eminent leadership in which I work and deliver my best services. Our first mentor, former Principal Sri Ram College of Commerce and former Founder Director IMT Ghaziabad and former Founder Director of BIMTech, late Dr. C.V. Gupta ji, always educate me time to time about the administration. एक दिन सर ने मुझे कहा, आपका जो जॉब एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का है बहुत ही कठिन है, आपको बहुत ही सोच समझकर अपने चीज़ों को चयन करना पड़ेगा और आपकी डिलीवरी पर ध्यान देना पड़ेगा. उनके ये महत्वपूर्ण शब्द मेरे जीवन के लिए काफ़ी प्रेरणादायी है. माय सेकेंड मेंटर, करेंट डायरेक्टर डॉक्टर हरिवंश चतुर्वेदी सर, गिवन मी स्पेस टू वर्क विथ फ्री माइंड, understand the demand of customers and provide the good services. He also backed me time to time when I was struggling. This 28 years long experience create value and mindset not for myself but for the others as well. This long association with the organization is possible only with the help of the management and director Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi sir. Working with educational institute, I always try to educate myself to make my skill updated. I have done my MBA from Sikkim Manipalpur University and completed in 2016. Through other online training program, I also developed my skill, enhancing my soft skill and developing my soft skill through IIT Kanpur, design thinking from IIT Madras and training to trainers from IIT Roorkee. रोज़ दिन सवेरे हम एडमिन ऑफिस में एक थॉट लिखते हैं और उस पर चर्चा करने के दौरान हम लोगों को एजुकेट करते हैं कि का आप अपने काम को कितने अच्छी तरह से कर सकते हैं. A institute who care the people and works like a family. During the difficult time of COVID-19, our director Dr. Harivansh Chaturvedi sir developed a unique platform and where we can serve the people of BIMTech, faculty, student, staff and the surroundings. My administrative team plays a crucial role with the help of transportation services by following the mandatory disclosures. I always care of our alumni with best services who residing all over the world. BIMTech Greater Noida is a global village where the rich natural infrastructure has its own impact. कैंपस का सवेरे का मौसम बहुत ही सुहाना होता है, जहाँ पर हरे हरे पौधों के ऊपर पक्षियाँ चहचहाती रहती है और अपने मधुर संगीत से गुंजायमान करती है, जो कि पुराने कैंपस में यह सब चीज़ प्राप्त नहीं होता था जो हमें नए कैंपस में मिला है. BIMTech परिवार के साथ 25 साल पूरा होने पर मैनेजमेंट ने हमें 31वें फाउंडेशन डे पे पुरस्कृत किया. दैट मोमेंट मोटिवेट टू क्रिएट वैल्यू नॉट फॉर माई सेल्फ बट फॉर अदर्स ऑल्सो.